Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com. I'm going to make this video about the Euro index and Euro trades. Today, let me see if I can show you here. See, this 8:30 in the morning, we had a Euro press conference. Big news, and that always give you a very nice movement in the market, especially Euro pairs. And if Euro gets strong, because of this news, then all Euro pairs will be going to the upside. That was the idea, and I was waiting for that. My idea was this Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're supposed to go to the upside into this area for wave A. And what happened? We didn't go exactly from where I said. I was here when I said we're gonna go up, but instead, what happened? We came down. This becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, and then we went up big time, right? So because of this, and since I was waiting, I went long in a couple of pairs, which are namely the first one, EUR-AUD, and EUR-AUD weekly chart was sitting at the TL and ready to bounce anyway. So it started bouncing exactly from there, and it only needed a reason to bounce. And today, a press conference gave the reason, and it started bouncing. Very nice trade all the way to the upside. And the only another trade I had is Euro Yen. Okay, Yen was weak and still not making a turn to the downside. So Euro Yen went up, and all the other pair went up. All the Euro. For example, let me show you if I can show you. See, this is Euro USD. Look at how nicely it went up. This is a 20-minute chart, by the way. So there's a lot of them. See, right there is this little wick. These are 7-minute entries. Okay. Similarly, this is Euro CAD here, right? And look at that, beautiful. The 7-minute entry here, and then it went up, right? And if you go look at it, Euro Pound and Euro, all the Euro pair, you will see that they went up because of this news. Okay, so I had just these two, but they're enough. No complaint. And what I'm waiting for now, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but is this. Now, every day is a different game. One day is yen, the other day is Newsy, the other day is Aussie, the other day is pound, something like that. So I'm also waiting this. I'm anticipating this, that is going to drop. This is a very nice crab pattern. We have 1, 2, 3. And if it drops from there to there, Aussie dollar is going to get weaker, and then what will happen? Wherever the Aussie is on the right hand side, those pair will fly. For example, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and the pair that has Aussie on the left hand side, for example, Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie Newsy, they will go down. So I'm waiting for that now. It may happen tomorrow, may not, and I'm also waiting for Aussie strength. So if Aussie start getting strong, maybe not Aussie, I'm sorry, yen strength, and it's supposed to get strong, and if that happens, then all yen pair gonna go down, and I'll be on top of those also. But this is the key concern now. Maybe tomorrow, if not Monday, this will make a move, and I'll be on top of it, and I'll show you my trades on Aussie pairs, maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. So keep an eye on this one. You can also make some trades in Aussie pairs. You have a lot of Aussie pairs, so try to take 1 or 2, right? All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.